Those folks are naughty.
I like they put the peanuts in the bottom. Yep, 89. It's so cool. It brings me back to my childhood.
I know.
Yeah.
I saw that Big Johnson.
Oh, Big Johnson. Oh, I love Big Johnson. A couple of books.
We'll bring them to you.
Yeah.
Those folks are naughty.
It's hard. I've been telling her it's hard.
I never saw them before. I started looking through them while we were pricing them, and I was like, we gotta make sure those people are looking at those.
Did Michelangelo paint naughty pictures? No.
Would you do 5 on that one? You have 7?
5. Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. There you go, $5. Thank you.
Right, thank you.
This is your house? How much you asking for the golf clubs?
Whatever you want them for.
I know nothing about golf clubs. My buddy who's buys golf clubs. He just tells me certain brands to look out for him.
Yeah, yeah, that's an old one. I just threw that out there.
Yeah.
It works great for me, though.
Yeah. Do you have a price you want for the whole lot of them?
You, $20 you can have them.
Okay.
And they're just golf balls. They're the ones I found.
Yeah.
You can have those too if you want.
Okay. How much are you asking for the CDs and stuff?
$20 on all those too. Yeah.
And you're just trying to.
Yeah. Well, I've never done it before. They actually did it.
Yeah.
So, but
Here's a 20-foot golf clubs.
yeah, but 10 you can have all the CDs. They're all different kinds.
Yeah.
Of stuff.
Yeah. I think I'll pass on that one though.
That's
I appreciate
okay.
it though.
But you can take them. You can have them.
I'm not a golfer and I don't know much about golf clubs, but I do know Callaway's a good brand. I didn't realize how good these clubs actually were.
Good morning.
Pretty much most everything here is all 50 cents.
Okay. How much are the hats? $1. What do you ask for the audio equipment?
100 for the whole setup. I've got all the manuals, the cords, and the remotes. Yeah, that actually records.
What's that? Yeah, that records. I was seeing that. What are you asking just for the DVD player? The VHS DVD player?
35.
35. When's the last time it was used?
Probably about 3 years ago.
Gotcha. This is a remote for it too.
Right, and this manual. Yeah, I took, when we got rid of, I think it was DirecTV or one of them, I just taped everything I had on DVD
Yeah.
using this, so that's how
How much is a lava lamp?
Never been used.
$3.
$3. Would you do just 25 for the lava lamp in that?
30 for both.
30? All right, I'll do 30. I'll take a rest. And you, oh, yeah, I get the hats too. Totally forgot about the hats. 34.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Need a bag for anything?
No, I think I'm good. This is the book and everything. All right, thank you. What'd you guys do? Clear them out? You leave
Some purses. Their prices are.
Will you grab my blow mold?
They're all coach. Hey, that guy's $5 if you want them.
What's up? What do you need me to grab?
Those two air inflatables.
This right here? The inflatable girl? Oh, okay, just want to make sure.
Red Rider.
You kidding? You shoot your eye out.
Yes, I was waiting for it. I was waiting for it. Nicely done, sir.
No, I want an official Red Rider carbine. Shoot 200 shot range by the rifle.
You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
You don't remember. You don't need anything for these. You just pump them and they shoot.
Yeah.
Right?
We need BBs.
Yeah, but that's it. You know, it's not like the.
You need
airsoft
man
or
muscles to be
anything
able to pump
like
it too. Is this for golf?
We use it for our old golf cart.
Yeah, I was
just
gonna say
for
it's
the
for
back
golf cart.
tire, and those are the keys.
How much is it?
$5 for that, that'd be fine.
All right, I'll give you I got a golf cart, so
Oh, perfect.
it's the most productive yard sale ever. As soon as it comes out, it's gone.
This is so happy. We're so happy just to get, rid of
And you know what they say, a happy wife is a happy life. I learned that one the hard way. It's a work in progress, as I like to say.
There you go.
How much are these? Do you have any more sports card stuff or baseball stuff?
Don't. That was the extent of what I was willing to get rid of.
Oh, okay. I like they put the peanuts in the bottom.
Yeah, no, it's great.
What are you asking for that?
Just give me a couple bucks for that. If you want all of them, let's say $5 for those 3 right there.
$5 to do it, yeah. You do $5 with the...
Yeah.
Cool.
That was pretty cool.
Get change for 20.
Change.
Oh, no.
Good morning. How much are your golf clubs?
Yes. $50.
Oh, for all of them?
Yeah.
How much for just this one?
This is maybe $10.
Oh, $10. Do 5?
8. I can do it.
8. I'll take that one. Thank you. How much are your Legos? The box of Legos.
Legos.
What?
How much were the Legos?
I think I have $25 on them.
Okay.
Well, the biggest thing, my business is slow, just
Pizza van.
start off anything.
Sure.
So I've been pressure washing people.
What is this?
In the neighborhood. I do a little bit of everything. My son goes to PCS.
What's the story with this?
It's a Japanese version of the game.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I just picked it up the other day and figured, hey, see if I can flip it and make a couple bucks, but
Gotcha.
yeah.
I've done really well selling Zelda GameCube games in the past. I've never seen this Japanese version of it, so I decided to pick it up and give it a chance. Unfortunately, it wasn't really a good buy. These are only selling for like 25 to $30.
So did you buy and flip stuff then?
I mean, I'd like to, but honestly, I bought all this stuff in the last couple months, and
it's overwhelming.
Just accumulated in my garage, and
I got you.
so.
I didn't see Lego set.
Yep. Yeah, I go to the Tallahassee Inn or whatever. And,
oh, nice. Pick stuff up there.
yeah, sometimes I pick it up and get a good deal. And
Yeah.
make a buck or two. But
Would you consider 20 for that one?
Sure.
Okay, cool. Then I'll be 50.
sounds good. Thank you.
Awesome, man. Thank you. It's so cool. It brings me back to my childhood.
I know.
Yeah, I was just like, when I walked up, I was like, my eyes were like, that's awesome, man. Thank you so much. Morning. How are you guys doing today? All right.
You want to go grab Alexa?
I will buy some lemonade from you. I'll come over there in a second and see. All right. Is this yours?
Yeah.
You're an Eagles fan?
I am. Okay.
Are you from up there?
No, I'm not.
Okay.
High school, a lot of my friends were Eagles fans.
Yeah.
From Chicago, and then, at that time, I think the Bears defense was all we had.
Yeah.
So my friends were big. So Donovan McNabb.
Absolutely.
Cunningham.
Cunningham, man. Oh man, I love Cunningham.
So back in the day, it was all. Yeah, I took it into like GameStop and they're like, oh, we can scratch all this off and it'll take a while. I'll just sell it. I'm not taking that off.
Yeah. Damn straight. Damn straight. Yeah, right. Did you have any other video game stuff or is this it?
That's it. That's it.
Oh, Marvel vs. Capcom 3. Great game.
Yeah, it is.
Do you have a bundle deal you want for it all? Actually, do you know what system? What the how big it is?
It's an 80.
It's an 80.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's one of the early releases.
It
Then.
is an early release. It's a 2008.
Is it fully updated?
Yeah.
Because that was, if I'm not mistaken, it was backwards compatible with the PS2
That
stuff.
one's not.
The 8. Okay.
That one, because they made 2 variations
of the 80. Yeah, the one with the 80 had a Metal Gear Solid box that came in. Yeah.
No, not that one. I checked. No.
Okay.
That's what I wanted because I had a bunch of PS2 games.
Yeah. You still have your PS2 games?
No.
Oh man, that's like one of my favorite systems.
3 or 4.
I mean, if you go back and play it now, like some of the games don't hold up too well, but it's still like it's a lot of fun. Yeah, look at this stuff. Andrew, everybody.
Yeah.
That's cool.
A bunch of stuff out here.
Yeah. What would you want for it all?
For all of it. Just let me know.
What do you want for all of it? You think?
Well, I mean, I took it in. When I took it in, they said 140 for it.
That's what they were gonna give you.
And that was the GameStop price.
Yeah.
So I was like, well, let me check, see what I can get for it.
Yeah. Gotcha.
And if not, then I'll take it back in. That's the PS Blue. So there's a couple games in there that use that.
Yeah. Okay. Would you consider 30 for the move in 4 games? One of them was loose.
Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Do you hold on, let me make sure that you do you want the move game with it or you just want the move?
I don't really care. I got a bunch of move
Games
stuff.
that go with the move?
Actually, let me make a pile. So that's 30 there. Let me see what else you got. Okay. I'll keep shopping. Oh, you got the Transformers Special Edition. Man.
I'm gonna put this inside this.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate that. What is this?
Okay.
That's cool. From 89? Yep, 89. I've never seen it in the box. I had these like a long time ago. It's cool.
It was in the 80s.
Yeah, 89. Just, I love seeing the old packages. Got House Divided here. You got Steelers fans, and then you got.
I know my wife is a Steelers. Well, they're Steelers fans.
Oh, okay.
We're from Pittsburgh.
Gotcha.
So that was.
Thank you. I'm actually okay on the. Let me see here. Here, here's for your hard work. Here's $1 for you and $1 for you. Enjoy. You guys have a good day. Good morning.
Yeah, that's a good. So this one's me. So $3 for the skirt. No, this one has. Oh.
Yes.
Ma'am, how much is that?
How much is your?
That's 10.
10.
We'll figure it out. Just what's the total and then
Take
we'll
5 for
divide
it?
I only
Yeah,
or just pay us.
Okay.
How much is yours?
Have a good day.
You
Starting to
Thank
feel
you so
good
much.
out here now.
You guys are really selling everything and the kitchen sink, huh?
Literally. That's funny.
Are they different prices?
He looks like the type of guy that would switch out the labels, so be careful.
GoPro camera?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I just film what I buy at yard sales a lot. Here you go. You getting that?
Those are miscellaneous parts.
Yeah.
Some do-rags, and that's a helmet cover. And then I've got some spinners too for front axle.
Oh, nice.
Would you throw out a number on all the shirts?
Whoa, Kevin, freak out.
You only want
Literally.
They're not official Tupperware?
I don't know.
No, they're not. Spinners?
I don't know.
Golf cart? That'd be kind of cool.
Put him like that would be funny.
Rod?
What's up?
Hey, he knows Harley. He's bought
What?
Harley more than me. I don't know if you want to bundle or maybe piece them together. I don't know. Because some of them aren't as nice as the other ones. And some of them are just bike week.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you, man.
Probably yeah, I saw that Big Johnson.
Oh, Big Johnson? Oh, I love Big Johnson. Yeah, if you read this, the bitch fell off, yeah.
Everybody, I mean, Harley owners are super particular. My father-in-law, he does the same thing. He'll take the OEM, buy the part, put the OEM back in there.
some do-rags. Those aren't chrome. Those are the, I think that.
What do you do, stage 2?
On May 21st and get it down
I like your belt buckle. The Harley belt buckle, that's cool. Would you consider $3 a shirt if I buy a bunch of them? This is the end of the day.
to. If you buy them all.
Gotta buy them all.
Yep. So buy the rest of them.
I'll buy all the Harley shirts. I'm not interested in the bike week ones though.
Okay.
I'll do that. I'll be fair. I'll do that. I think I pulled out all the Harley ones.
Okay.
Alright, so I got 1, 2. Oh, this is not Harley, but I'll take this one too. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 18.
All right.
Okay, but keep on ticking, you know what I mean? Like stuff like that.
That's good.
But, yeah.
All right, I'm going to give you 2.
Actually, just keep it, man. Just keep it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. You give me a deal on the shirts. So we'll do 20 for this.
So this is day 2 of the Flea across Florida. Man, those first couple of sales were absolutely amazing. I'm not a golfer. I have never won golf in a day in my entire life, but I do know from hanging out with the other pickers that Callaway, TaylorMade, Ping, Scotty Cameron are just some of the clubs you want to look out for. When I walked to that garage sale, I saw the whole container that was filled with Callaway golf clubs. When he said 20 bucks, I knew I wasn't going to lose any money. I really didn't know how good they were. And let me tell you, after I looked them up, the rest of the day I was looking for golf clubs. Now, a lot of times people pass up those DVD VCR combos. But one thing that you guys want to look out for when you see those and they have an HDMI hookup on the back, they usually sell between $100 and $300, somewhere in that ballpark. They usually make those at the end of the DVD VCR combo runs. A lot of times when you do have the HDMI hookup on the back, they also do record on the DVD, which is added bonus that adds extra money to those. Even though that player wasn't tested in 3 years, looks like he kept all the stuff in good condition. So I decided to take the chance on buying it. Worst case scenario, I'm out 20, 25 bucks on that. But then that last pick of the day, when I got those Harley shirts, if you guys aren't familiar with Big Johnson was a line of clothing in the late 90s, have sexual innuendo on them. But if you guys do find them, they actually bring really good money. They are vintage. That shirt is actually from 1999. But a lot of the other Big Johnson shirts can sell anywhere from like 20, 30, 50 bucks a pop. So if you do see Big Johnson shirts, pick them up. Guys, thank you so much for watching. We just hit 15,000 subs in here. We couldn't get that without you guys. So I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.